Here we go, full throttle. This is stock number 1232, a 1995 Chevy 1500 half-ton short bed extended cab, and it is in excellent shape, and the interior is in really nice shape, as you can see, and it is a 6.5 turbo diesel. We're going to fire it up right now. It's cold start. Shut that off, and glow plugs off. Here we go. Thing runs great. I personally drove this truck for a couple of thousand miles, and it runs very well. Let's check everything out for you.
And you don't get...
Okay, that's on. Cargo lamp I know works. The heat works. The AC works. Blows cold. You can see the oil pressure at idle. It's so cold, so that's not fair. Let's go take it for a test ride. Here we go, full throttle. Alright, 65 is enough. Now we'll cruise up to 70. And this truck rides like a dream. That's the beauty of a 1500. They ride very smooth. The engine itself has been replaced at one point in time. We don't know when, but it runs and it looks like it's fairly new. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is appointed pretty well. It's got the AC and the cargo lamp, the power windows, and it's got the auto on where you can roll your window down and it'll go down automatically. It's got the nice GM mirrors. You got a good vision out the mirrors, but they aren't too honking big. And then the bed itself is a short bed in a real good shape. Everything works good. Let's check the brakes. Wow, they grab really good. Now we're driving it normally, and we just kind of get up and go, and the transmission shifts. It's a 4L80E, one of the best transmissions GM ever made. We've got the window down. It's a gorgeous day, and what an awesome truck to be driving on a day like this. Good looking, and great running, great shifting, super great brakes, and what a nice truck to be driving. I enjoy driving this one. We'll be sad selling it. Or at least I will be. Well, hope you like it. Have a great day. Something I forgot to mention, it's got one of these cool cup holders. Check this out. You open it up and it flips out into two. That's kind of neat. And then close it back up. Glove compartment. Oh yeah, one more thing. PowerPoint. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off. We'll restart it for you. It's warmed up now. We'll go take a look at it outside. A little dirty right now. It needs to be cleaned. That's because I've been driving it so much. Got the PMD cooler on there. Listen to this thing run. Also, take a look. Notice it says new 6.5. That's a good wrench engine. It's new. Well, listen to that thing run. Look how smooth that thing runs. Smooth as can be. around, there's a few things I want to point out right there. There's a little bit of rust over here. There's some underneath the cab corner there. And then let's just keep walking around. Well, I guess that's about it. I thought there was more. Maybe I'm just thinking of the hood. These couple of spots on the hood. The truck is from Missouri. It's more of a southern truck. The frame looks really good. If you look down there, frame, that looks really good. Now again, listen to how quiet and good this motor runs. This is awesome. Look at the meat on these tires. It's a match set. They were all bought at the same time. Too bad it's so dirty, but check out the bed. There's like no corrosion inside the bed. And then the seat has the lumbar support, the little air pump right there. Same thing with the passenger side. Four-wheel drive works well. Let's put it in. We'll put it in neutral, and then go to 4 low. There's 4 low. Okay, 4 low works well. And then we put in reverse, goes reverse real easy. And then go back to 4 high. And we go. And you can see the indicator. Sorry, you can't see the indicator. It's dirty. Okay, you can see the indicator right there. And then when you put it into too high, put it back into neutral too high, the indicator light goes off. Put in there, it's really quick. Some of the old GM trucks take a long time to go back into to engage or disengage the axle. This one's fairly quick. Works very well. Everything on this truck works as it should. AC, you name it, it works. By the way, it has been tested by the Illinois Department of Transportation because it has a rebuilt title. So they went through the, you can take a look right there. They went through the vehicle to make sure that there was that it meets all safety standards. So it's certified by the state of Illinois to meeting all applicable safety standards. So it's a really good truck. It hasn't been in an accident. We're not sure why that it had a rebuilt title, but when we bought it, it did. And it's all worked out. I've driven it for thousands of miles and it runs perfect. It looks awesome. It's a really, really nice truck. Rides beautiful and goes backwards real nice. And we're gonna put it back in its spot. Real easy to maneuver. And there we are. One more thing, it's got the brand new connector and wiring and electric brake control.